I'm trying to fix this lawnmower. Y'all think I can fix it? Boy, just change the plug, put a new air filter on it. I got me a new spark plug. About to see what happens. Put the cap back on. Feel me? Pull that all twisted. You feel me? Hey, handy dandy motherfucker. Man, it's all black, boy. This shit black in the beach. This shit probably ain't never been changed. I'm tired, boss. I'm tired, boss. Hey, we took a little mini break, smashed out some hot fries. Damn, I just dropped my phone, but hey, we back again. Hey, we about to fill up that plug. Hopefully. Oh shit. I almost hit the oil through that shit everywhere. And that oil is everywhere. I thought I didn't make a mess. I thought I was clean. Nope. Sorry, bud. Ain't getting me today. But listen. You feel like your plug? You gotta plug it in, kid. That's what we talking about. Hey, she's still draining though. Gosh. I don't know if I should plug her up. She's still draining. Let me grab a towel. Hey, welcome to that bootleg down the street shit. You feel me? We're gonna see what we can do about these holes. You feel me? Clean her up. Hey, follow the YouTube one time. Oakvillewater, you feel me? I'm trying to get some subscribers. Niggas ain't trying to fuck with this page. But yeah. Cool. The play is in the play, you feel me? We going ahead and do this from one way. Hey, we do this type of stuff on my page, you feel me? We work on cars. You feel me? We get it in, you feel me? We get it in, you feel me? Man, I hear they say don't tighten it up too tight, because you wouldn't be able to get that thing out in the future. So I'm hoping I ain't tightening it too tight. You feel me? I seen that dude on YouTube, he said just tighten it just a little too tight where it's tight enough, but you don't want that motherfucker sealed. So cool. Well, we about to put this oil in her, you feel me? Man, I checked the oil. Let's check it again, since we emptied it out. My motherfucker bald headed, so I'm gonna go ahead and top it off, put in a quart of it, see how we looking. In this oil, it's SAE 30 in this engine tank. Then we gonna fill it up with some gas. So we get this bitch to glut turn on, you feel me? That spark plug in her. We're gonna get to it. We gonna see if she spark up, you feel me? Go ahead and grab this NGK spark plug. About to insert these beads in here. I'm using a 13/16 wrench to plug it in. You know, see if she do something today. Hey, y'all should see these other spark plugs I got. I thought I could do something with them earlier. Hell no. They were showing me no love. Burnt up. I even had my old neighbor degreaser for me. No love. Hey, I don't care what it is. Get to work. Boy, I think that was a ghost. Y'all, that was a ghost. Hey, y'all about to scare. But listen, about to go ahead and spark up the spark plug. Tighten it up. Connect that baby. To the snap. And I gotta pull this big bitch down. Fill up with some gas and hopefully get her to start kicking. I got a question for y'all that actually stay tuned. Do y'all use 87 or 89 when y'all put in y'all lawnmower? My neighbor said I should put premium in. I'm just wondering, do y'all? Don't put no gas over 10%. You got to know in your lawnmower. It is growing algae in your engine tank. I'm just saying. I'm gonna put some gas in there. See what we're doing. Gotta breathe a little bit. Moment of truth. Moment of truth, y'all. Yeah, this might take me 50 cranks, but hey, moment of truth, bitches. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, let's see what we can do.